Facebook, SOMPA 106.5 FM, and again YouTube SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra live, and then you'll be a part of the show. We want to say thank you and welcome to For God and Country. So wherever you are, so on SOMPA 106.1 FM, and again on SOMPA 101.1 FM, and again our multi TV. Digi box also yedi asida ni kabia edemamo. And of course I do say once you are listening and partaking in the program, ebreso na you hear your views on the issues and ye bedi hun koma won fan kame yen kai say number of phrases sort of 0260196064 0260196065. Again my minting number no mobile 0260196064 0260196065. Remember, today is the 23rd of July 2025, meaning we have just about some 8 days to say goodbye to the month of July. Welcome month of August in year 2025. Now the America children say don't lose hope, never despair, because the month of August is going to be a winning month for you. So that is what I just want to share with you in Nevi. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Nakai bio say show ya yedi browi ya wa ya bofo a so asena de biara da no yedi For God and Country jubadi no ebremo yedi kan no Lextar Company Limited ebusuya womo no makofa Yaz toothpaste and Yaz toothbrush and abedwaman so me aposia papa later in the show make omo some ede achro sa so na medimafo herbal center Dr. Time Daso Dr. Time Daso ebusia me patro so ya sere kese pa say yede ejumedie no ebrewo Time Herbal Mixture me dem akachiro say prophylaxis eduro a wonom a ebetimi abo ho ban every malaria fever ni join this ho te bomodin pa say utie me ubekọ Time Herbal Mixture na ebusia no na mudi mwaye mudada eduro kama pa saso na Techno Spark 40 series. This brand new phone, sleek, slimmer, stronger, and remember it sparks everywhere. I didn't know also copy a Techno Spark 40 series. We patrol Meka Hunsabacho later on the show live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM For God and Country. Electroland Ghana Limited. Hey, the home of quality electronics, the home of quality electronics. Almost asking pa say ready For God and Country do but my guest in the studio me pacho yani Ura Gilbert ni Accra me pacho yani ne bekasa ono kasama fuma Greater Accra Metropolitan Assembly na adentina yani ombekasa because we are told say ahoho bi emu a omofi amanfo froso a abakuri mu no ade a wo mu edidwa na mpodo edwadie na omudie no bia bia ewo say omotena krade edidwa no unza ahoho abaman mu no eton bia obi be betena edidwa no ton bia no ede ama ne yonko ahoho. Why is it so? We'll be finding out from the Gilbert ni Accra or Greater Accra Regional PRO for Accra Metropolitan Assembly. And again, our panel members for the last part of the show that will be starting at exactly 4 p.m. That is the discussion segment. And Sa Ebeka Orak Kofi Capito, Warrior CEO Consumer Protection Agency. Sasuna Nana Kwabna Pepra Gutha Chairman Greater Accra Region. One also Eba Cancer Waha na Yenene Dinkom. It's going to be the first part, and this is just going to be in the next 5 or 10 minutes. We'll be commenting with this particular issue. Nana Kwabna Pepra, Wono Gutha Chairman Greater Accra Region, Sasuna Ura Kofi Capito, CEO Consumer Protection Agency. And of course the topic is Gutha say Omobabe stage a nationwide demonstration against foreigners woni edidwa ewo maimuha na yenua bema kwabna prepare atena say there. When I'm starting the conversation, we'll be looking at one more we ready for say omuko yes omuko akokra niema e dia ban memu ha dollar no e ade a woman sa e kana. The second part, as I've already said, me pato yene Harrison ono Harrison Kojo Aban ono ye obi a part of the NDC National Communication Team, and I yenu abema kweku Atasapon will be representing the New Patriotic Party. BGDP say or a deputy organizer for Ashanti region. Also eba kansa wa han newi na yenu one edin komo na enra and monitoring the social media and the media space this afternoon. I came across a particular story, very, very harrowing and very, very disgusting. Now, I don't know if Krumha are your way. I'm Kwabrani betting at you true, no, they are born a young Konoko. Menamuka say a police force 1 more year and Shemu into the fatal shooting a course Ewukumasi Wabra, a Kusasi Hinia or Asawasi were free more. Now, I didn't I was say. Kwa brandi timu ko twitu na wode bo yenu abema yi amana to na nanom wo ensie do but again and we call the lands ministry the minister for lands and natural resources amakofi boa na ya no wode atodwa say woni a ya kire omo a omo ye galamsey no omo duduro no 1345 omo duduro a ya kire omo. So on ye galamsey no omodudu no since January and almost started say omo chere sankrofo na kai say they have also made an arrest of okay, all right, so this one, that is the figure I've just put across, and then whatever it is, with the issue of galamsey, believe you me, it will be thoroughly be discussed right here, of course, on the show today. 1,200 excavators menemuka say idea government edinensa atoso ewotema porter pending validation. Hey, now excavators do a bagana hey. Ye bisa say ejuma benku, ekwan benku. Say enye galamsey a. Me pacho we dey Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Ura amakofi boy be sere mo say munhwehwe mu yie pa. Munhwehwe mu yie. Na illegal mining dey ade a ha adwen ewo krodua mu. But the bebo modern pa na yakwa ahoma no so na yeni Ura Gilbert ni Accra edin komo na oyobia oye kasaba afoma Greater Accra Metropolitan Greater Accra Metropolitan Assembly na ni edin komo ene wie e wo fidue mu ha enti bebia obia no enko bebia. This is where the action is, this is where the real interview is. So remember, it is SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Minia Gilbert, me ma akwa ba na property say
Many of them Accra Metropolitan Assembly, Mayor Honorable Michael Pakwalo Sidano, which I would see na any more na.
Yo, you better say now. You better say, Sabra Mino can say decongestion exercise, saying an aquacusi.
Thank you very much. Decongestion exercise, make me ask say assembly, Nadia Mukra. Tete no idea yeah ebusua yeah enforcement may obusua all 4 rounds to ensure say compliance level and no pay cry me no before me no be say may ankasa enanti mo or Central Business District police for enkele poli na ema ushekoko board enimwa although area except for local piasi yetime ko ema the ensure say any cocoa board for every camp mu actually how you betime improve safety within that particular enclave and run so mayor ankasa to the ni for circle eco share the cost wo amount for omode areas nibia especially frontage of VIP any OE terminal ediama nkofo motonton phone yama hunyina ekoyi omunyina nti decongestion dey ade a ye mukra. Now let me use this opportunity to also state to say traders they've been very obedience, let me put it that way, because social compliance level now, especially areas within the central business district, social law school area, any other enclaves are demarcated red line policy, no idea more. Idea almost this now. Mayor Bosha was say in the coming weeks, Assembly is looking at blocking specific streets. The idea because and Accra as part of engagement, Mayor Echo MTCD, Greater Accra Police Command, and the no Echo Bomb for more effort. Generally, the congestion exercise, Mayor Akano, it's not a 9-day wonder. The assembly no go so to ensure say within the city, we'll have some form of order and discipline.
All right, I don't know from where we live. Domi, I don't know. Domi.
Thank you very much. Domi enclave for now technically and set Accra municipal assembly.
Okay.
Now make me assure you say assembly the Accra Metropolitan Assembly is working closely with them. All the municipal assemblies to ensure that within the entire region, there will be that form of sanity. Now, we're taking that inspiration from the Greater Accra Regional Coordinating Council, our Honorable Regional Minister, Linda Oklu, Edano. There is that close collaboration, and we can assure you the areas are young core, we are having that discussions. Mapping out strategies, taking cue from what assembly to ensure that kind of compliance. So we having that discussion, and although we may not be able to tell you, say, and very soon, all these other areas are their congestions. We'll move into ensure say we work closely with the respective municipal assembly to ensure sanity in those areas.
Nanu ne enyamintie se na edwedefo bi ekontokwa anase na omu yiyi nsama no ewo eye circle na de ko pie mu no na edwedefo no wo munye obi a omunye nkrofo bi a wo munye Ghana adehye wo munye Nigeria adehye na edwede na wo die no ekoba de say one particular sport na obi etu efri ho no oton amane yonko na me to say koboyi no what's here now? What's here? No crebe ne wom.
Thank you very much. Osha, there, and as an assembly, I take na Osha and Ra, say, Oko assembly, no, your website is here, ama.gov.gh, very clear, and Ra, me ankasa etu nini echo, that particular enclave, we share. Directly in front of VIP station, any way for bus terminal. That particular enclave holding no, time in TNS, BBC in airport, and now quickly, Mayor moved into this particular area to ensure that they will be a son idea or that particular enclave holding na you na if you go into a no. No nipa bakokra ebe shia ye wo that particular entry body na no ye sure say ye be clear obia efi ho no na mayor ema omoti atie say as an assembly no say me continue specifically mayor say we are here to move and stop them. This place is not for selling. The place is not for sale. And we as an assembly have not sold anything to anybody. To be our town baby area will be in the name of Mayor Biano. It's a yetina. Mrano edinibidi and not some individuals behind that particular way. Quickly, the police were there to pick them up for further investigation. That particular enclave, we can assure. Say, that entire area now almost on phones now Osha, there is a designated area within the Peko enclave, Kwame Nkrumah interchange enclave now. yet to Funyama, and as a city, to ensure order, we cannot get things to be sold everywhere like that, especially more on the fact that particular entry, bar seminar, there can't be a bar, you may not know. For the sake of public safety, then a mayor Accra that particular entry for now, they are going to be now mayor Accra say, and now they are here, so as I say, Abaya say, and don't ever more Ubia Vendiniga. Dana assembly etier.
Okay, so Okana sa, what was a Ghana Hano? 1 year a year foreign nationals, Omufi Obi Manso, na Wamaba Yamemuha. Mwamu ni se boja edwedie no. Emra mo mo kwan so mbedi boja die ewo Yamemuha retail trade. And as the PRO for a Greater Accra Metropolitan Assembly, Kasama the Metropolitan Chief Executive. Sanshi say we mu ni mo na. Boko to say Nigeria for di dwaye boja ejuma ewo Ghana ha. Quickly, I was someone who said it's Yambra. You have to clear them off.
Let me state to say, it is the Accra Metropolitan Assembly, not Greater Accra. Greater Accra is soon. We are a metropolis within the entire Greater Accra region. Now, about the issues of foreigners or Mudija and all that, as an assembly, the focus is not targeting foreign nationals or most for the mayor any assembly baby our motor idea idea and a frontage of a bus terminal a pavement so we are demarcating that particular enclave for trading activities and for us as an assembly that is our focus. We would ensure that there is that sanity. Say a designated area for trading activity, yeah, fine. But currently, as it stands, really, the focus is to ensure that maybe designated honor there will be no trading activities within that particular entity. Now, a man of issues of all kind of foreign nationals plying their trade, especially retail trade and all that. Now, there are other agencies also collaborating with the assembly in general to ensure that some of these things are dealt with. But currently, the focus is to ensure that we decongest the city. Areas are yet designated for trading activities. No, there should be no trading activities. All right, just as the mayor has said.
Okay, we are not general line. So now, Kofi Capito, Consumer Protection Agency. CEO or assembly of person bisa. Kofi Makwaba.
Mecha.
Ebacho Kofi Oti.
Mecha for so. Minyana so a PRO.
Oh, PRO.
Pajon Dini saying.
Gilbert.
Yes, sir, Chief.
Ebacho it is saying.
Ebacho Yame Ado.
Me. Yadime ba Accra at the age of 13. Na miti okanshi. Enti minimo kanshi pa minim the whole market area. Me nkura brimuno okanshi after 6 o'clock na a residential area na de be any ho because stores ni nyina pon a ho nyina yedi because it was a commercial area. Yatra, I'm not blaming this particular mayor.
Okay.
And I say Yatra as a mind. What the old cinema Alice?
So please, can you proceed with the question?
I mean, besides the church.
Oh, Matepa. Yeah.
Old cinema palace. Na a space. Na me ball or home crab rim. Yatra homa and for 8 stores. A block of old cinema palace against even other people now. No more stores or more. And you know, congestion no. Yeah, Ghana for you count. Maybe so, the patrol will say from cocoa board, echo down, no, congestion, no, who can say more chanting, no, maybe I can come in for just not too long ago. Cocoa board for crackers now, a free harbor, no, truck for block, right side when the cocoa board cars a crab, background, okay, but the mayor started very, very well. Mebo na baso. Se o munti nani nyina no politicians no emo mu nyi o majuma and this time from Vanderpoy Oko Vanderpoy
yeah
ono kwa do mo ka che ne say why na body say ku ah na omo na koto abakwa ko je power no no ba ya o pam nkrofo pakaka ke oko na nsi big boy Henry Coffee. Okay, Mami, where should buy here? Similar thing is happening to her. We get started, but we don't end well. Because the Okanshi, Maka, it's easy for us to do night market. For more, they don't even contribute much to the state. Assembly for now, my
man in Vienna on free line or so.
There was what me oh, Lorry Park, Accra Lorry Park.
Yeah.
Who can say non-Ghanaians? Yeah. Me because you are a man for everybody's body. Now me to Okanshi, SIC, next street. Near Accra Central Station. And then Alatenia to some building, no. What the other stores? Me was store was here. Alateni. Why are the Akko Echo Drew Lome Station home? Alateni ne owns our properties. Now you basically work say Ghana for and Alata for na one. Almost also with the animal. Eshema and you might be SNO or manage this for funds. Now what they will fee and I was asking Alatenia. No, see the issues were offer high.
Whatever high.
And then wouldn't stop war or can't.
But say no the Kenya Bonio. Because yes, also you're quite a mindful for swap. That to be only properties. Now, I told you, I'm going to go to there be Tony. Where sure, where be our own retail, but Pierre be a okay, but the
question is yes. I'm not blaming the assembly.
Okay, okay, so ask the question.
But the question is can they promise to say decongesting exercise in a person? Just like usual, it won't become a one-day wonder.
Okay, but Gilbert, but what's the question?
Thank you very much. My question now, I can tell you on authority, say, decongestion exercise at Accra Metropolitan Assembly, headed by Honorable Michael Paparuti, Mayor of Accra, yet they are 9-day wonder. They said some months ago, and over this entire period, no, the exercise has been sustained. Their efforts were no. Yes, I am demarcating the more for more to ply their trade. No, the traders are complying. Now, earlier on, no, in your submission, you spoke about issues of political will. Let me state here, on authority, say there is that political will. From government backing the mayor to ensure that this exercise is done with that human face. So, Nancy Accra, the Women Caucus of Parliament visited the assembly to even interact with the women, and they were happy with the level of compliance with approach, the human face approach now. Also engagement now. Consistently, you know, we even have our information services department of the assembly moving in consistently to ensure that there is announcement. If the engagement, the idea if this very exercise, and idea 9-day wonder. Now, Mayor, I should say, in as much as we are trying to ensure that we clear them away from these areas, we also to be able to meet them halfway. In future, very soon, areas will be designated for street safety, and as part of government's 24-hour economy agenda, the entire period, and security said the security will be provided to ensure that our traders ply their trade the entire 24-hour system. No, after you spoke about copper board area, now I'm pay mayor of Accra, any management of cocoa board is here now. Issues discussing we're looking at resolving the traffic situation within Omo enclave. Now they've also made some donations.
But give it. Trotro for now, I am watching Hona Fano. Trotro for no more.
that is what I'm saying. Today, no, there's been that engagement. Now, NTTD commander, our Greater Accra was fully involved, and we are looking at ensuring that particular enclave holding in our the Cocoa Board for nearby, one lane will be demarcated for them to use. And for sure, or many more now, there is some U-turn view of now because barricade, no a year you have some of the drivers are almost by him instead of being on the outer lane. We are looking at replacing those barricades. After CMB Kadamanto enclave and then we have our men moving to that particular enclave to ensure trading activities on the streets now a year now traffic now support a work in progress. And we can assure you, with the support of the media, and let me thank your platform for opportunity now. They to consistently let people know the need for patients now, and the need to also adhere. The engagement, so we are hoping with this support and public support, we'll be able to achieve our aim, whilst we also work at let me also expanding the markets to be able to accommodate more of the traders.
Billy Gilbert, for God and country, that's it. Why? Okay. Gilbert, out in the Casa Gilbert ni Accra, one a Casama for my Accra Metropolitan Assembly that is Meneno Edin Como on Forgotten Country, SOMPA 106.5 FM. But I'm just a good for say. So abino anhwe ye na wanye na dwuma ye a adwuma benga omoso ombetietia because one year every man bi so a omabegu aye gada memu ha bodja dwuma no anya dwuma a ewo so omoje because amrana ma hokwan so amrama hokwan a minji ndi pise anka aye gutafo be sorry menim se gutafo no omuni mra no. Now, so what would I don't know if really because they know the law, that is why they are protesting. Patrick, let's say,
Prof, I'm not going to call.
Now, but who's a crime, maybe? I am Rabenga.
Where GIPC law?
GIPC law.
GIPC law.
GIPC law, in many law.
No, and a bought a good year, a Ghana, young Canessa. GUTA good for
Ghana Union Traders Association
and the regulatory okay, but my main found Kakra. Now me starting free Gutano establishment. Who said Gutano and a statutory body beer that was established by law, but it's a trade union and I'm coming together. And now form so it's formed as a registered association under Ghanaian civil and corporate law, such as the company law, such as the Company Act 2019. Yeah, so that is
it's a civil society organization.
Exactly. Civil society organization.
Maybe I will come to you. I will try my own community. Per the law, but the law no, you should be related to retail trade.
Okay.
Yes, only the retail trade.
Okay. Now, GIPC, Ghana Investment Promotion Act, Company Act, 2013 Act 865, provided key provision, a mark key provision. That is when you go to the Act, Section 27 of the Act now. I'll say foreigners are prohibited from engaging in retail trade unless they meet the following conditions. And these are the conditions. One, they must have a minimum of $1 million in equity in the business. And they must also employ at least 20 skilled Ghanaian citizens. The third one, they must operate...
Shall
the almost foreigners,
yes,
they are prohibited from engaging in retail trade.
Not just say,
yes,
say obi a foreigner
on your Ghanaian,
Sani Pano then.
Yes,
yeah, man, it's just a man no quine. Say, obey bojo ejuma. But unless Bishop,
unless say, sir, and your man 9 way, where this so, and you can, say, obey invest a minimum of $1 million USD.
A minimum. Nigeria for that, what is it?
Yeah, we say 1 million normal meeting.
Okay, let's go to the other requirement.
Okay. They must employ at least 20 skilled Ghanaian citizens.
Ebi Osara.
And also a question is Bisa. Number 3, must operate in the business space not less than 30 square meters in an area. 30
square meters in an area. Okay.
Number 4, they must register with the GIPC. Ghana Investment Promotion. That's right.
Then
Council.
Enti
no sir we say onipa no enya ansana what as a non-Ghanaian ansana what me aye business aye ewo.
Okay, so who determines the amount of money relative to what is in the requirement? I actually say 1 million USD in equity must be invested. Who determines? Is it the Ghana Investment Promotion Council?
That is what the act is saying. Is the act that is stipulating that one inside. No. Now, Guta run in the position. Say they consistently advocate for strict enforcement of the GIPC law. No.
Okay.
Law no Ghana Investment Promotion Council for the law now. Almost 30 is for never good and rule they say they are enforcing that particular law, that particular act now. It stated so we have 1 million. So we employ 20 people and this angle for that is the rule of Guta.
You don't be Guta president, Greater Accra, or you don't be more enforcement.
Anybody come up
and you're no more also more enforcing. But that is what you are telling me.
GIPC,
they would have to enforce. But what is the role of Guta in this?
Almost then America say they advocate for the strict enforcement.
Okay, so theirs is advocacy.
Yes.
Okay,
advocacy.
That's fine.
Law now GPIC, GIPC, stability or act in Act 865 no. Almost then some boy enforce it. Sa particular act no. Amana abeye Ejuma.
Good.
That's right. Now Yansha. BBT says special court for retail offenders. Somewhere in 2014, Yamami Chief Justice Georgina Woods planning a establishing court bia and kebe prosecuting non-Ghanaian found operating in retail markets in violation of GIPC law. And no by Nasa court to an say Ghana fonso almost fronted foreigners. Ema mo ba krom ba niema dwadie boja no ni nyina ade aye maame no start anenka opese oyesade niema bebre aba aboso kanfo emre bi omko close in July 2020 omko close 150 shops owned by foreigners ni nyina ewo mu bia enti sesi ande ne ehwe ne se gutafo no omo be ko strike no omko kika ni nyina ne se foreigners no violate act no at 865 na GIPC at na omo ye no omo violating ti omo even say omo strike na far by nyina eno no
okay
enti owa haide ye bebusa no na ye wo mu nyina no
me
strike action
mami nasi baby obia no SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra for God and country and our Suguso Kai. When we activate the lines, numbers to call 0260 196064 0260 196065. You can also comment live on our Facebook page at SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Nana Kwabra Prepra Akwaba. Nana Kwabra to say.
Oh, Miriam Joshua Group.
Bibia Bokode.
We deal with the air, none so a form on ye.
A form hinenye. Maybe my maybe
bottom there. I go crossing on the media.
Oh, now I could nice man, young man like this. Better than I can say. Oh, okay.
Before when you so na much the phone.
Sure.
Na mama Mauricio say a corner in there. Then so yeah, who you buy no ye ti se nkrofo abubo mu degrees no ne ade ye nso ye de no e wo ye dwom na ye boa bebre fi se abanya so mfa so bebre na em se de wu bisa me se die entina se igutafo ye kase anhwe ye a ye best strike
yeah
ejina niam bebre so
bobode ma no so
na de di kan no ya na ye nuanom a omo nte niam bi ase no ya na omo ma nsem ne kan no ewa nanso na mi wa ha menya botre pa semre no wo mu a
nya botre na chichi
na niam bebre wo ho a ebi wo kora wo misa nso ma kirem na me kirem a mo beti ase
okay
de di kan odwadini o Ghana a o sheguta ase no bia da esun ni se ye de ye gi ahoho efi se so hwe act na o kenkan ye wo ade so a act no ema ekwan wo baabi se ohoho no
obetimi edigwa
so pese odigwa na onye baako miensa enan entina che se wo hwe mu kra na emra ni timu po no wan restrict se edwadie no ye ma obi mamu kra enu so nti no so wati egutafo ye nsam a ye kan nyina bibia ye kan bia is about the law ye kan bibia wa kire yes emra na ebo oman hu bra no ewo ntichemu ewo de ebo parliamentarians no ho bra metwe adua si bibi so adentina ye nim se minua atimi nche minua pani capito ebia na Ghana ni watu kwan akwama no ne minim se minua pa no na enam akwantuo mu nsem nti no wakwaje ho nkrata no watim bia ye adwuma ba ye japade wo Ghana tio
betio pa
na mom oye na dwen se opese oba Ghana na oba boa yen na yamamo ye buo no se duru se wanye eniema de etene a na oye de etia mra na okoye parliamentarian ye wo nhwesode a kire se ye dibi mu kura totum enya sa na tie o man mu adenti no mu defend o mu territory na a common trader se ne amo ka no yeso ye defend ye territory a ye kamra na samu a eho akwasidie na ne de na je se ye yimu ya se nyina no two and some I am tete ya na bi ya mesre omo se Ghana odwadini osoro competition enya sa na ya muka na wo no ba wo mo niam afo ena mo niam aboden me kire wade bi
kire me
na kwa ma bepra a me tie ma tu kwa ma ko Dubai me kwa akoto ade me ko du ho na okechukwu gina ho ade a me to no enu abi no no to me to me de no me lodu ye ena me call me come am shipper me kwa koyi no temahabo onu no lodu ni de ena onu so de come am shipper we kwa koyi o Lagos omo of flat rate eniama no 40 fita e woni bo 20 fita e woni bo enti uhwe nchichemu na e almost 15%. Eho okoje creditor e between 12 to 15%. Enti sika o de koto ade no capital no because odwadini bia je kakra ka ho no de afane ma no otimi afa dodo aba me so me creditor me koje wo ha no e between 30 to 34%. Okay ye bedru ye no wakoyi ni de 15%. Me ba be yimi de no esa me pesika 55% of me value na me de kofa ne ma no hami muntie ni ye hami if you say sa percentage high na me tua ne ye tibi e de ye free SHS ye tibi so e de ye health insurance me yusu ne ma mienu pe e de ayi so de me ba ya me bia me store me ton ne ma na me so kechukwu aba na ne ne ma gu trouble so a ono so ye free car mu the same niema na ono so ton bi ogyina me nkyɛn okay chuku na afa hen oso me dia me yi me dia ni 50% to Lagos no me san de my car na mpes kakra ma na otuatua okwan mu sa na odi aba obedru ye no ade krona na me ton enu ana nso ton okay chuku price na me price be pe me bisam
ejepe
ba me se ha me na de ha me ne se okay chuku ti kroma ne man ko free SHS ni bi obisa ne se na ID card wo here na akwa yi health insurance na de a kire wo because onim se e ya de papa SOMPA FM eso obon health hu
bye
enti mi nuanom de ne ye ni nyina boils down to say oman no se ye teche oman na momma ye enforce mbra no se okechuku de niama na ba no otua the necessary duties ewo your border towns no no de baya emma se ni niama no bo be ya fu atame da upon say even kura wonya reasonable ayi a onu yi ni de eho no 15% apart from that say onya ni reasonably say ne credit no onya e no na ewo form no eno kura no difference no e be ya kakra bi na mum we di ehwe agadi na ye di no there's no fairness, there's no equity. Obedience say no obedience say enti eyesa so to mienu no sa dia ni haha na eba ebe na Ghanaian trader no anya ntiasie bi miwa oman ye ya hwem ahu se ese ye mma bi ne de bo adwadie no ho bra efri se ye nim se de ye Ghana no ye mra no se ne niam bi ye no ene de ye wo amana man bi so no enye pe someone did for your canny. Mensan twema dwinsi ade foforo so
Ethiopia
sesi yi de ye hu ni se ahogo ya omo wo yen ye dwamu yi de omo no eye ne se omo wo mo nhihye wo mo de hwe wo mo nkora wo mo ne wo mo ye adwuma nhihye no ene se okofa akora no no ne ye adwuma ye de okofa akora no ne ye adwuma abosome so utua ne ka uhwe ne ye se ne insurance utua bibia wo ye bia utua se akora no fu se se ono so wabobra no wasu adwuma no wahu na opese okwa no wagya no kwan na okọ omu tradisi no no enye sa ne tie oni akora no betena akotua ontua ne bi oni netena otenifie o ma na aduane di oye ne bibia na emom emfie numachi no ese obie sese ne bi ma no na obo no ono so dwetri adwuma na ese obie bi ma no ko bie no he obebie no okro ha ya enti ebehu no okechukwu na ba afa obehu na emeka nso astati enti na sese okọ sake ho na omo nko na omaye den
omaji ho afa
na ye kan se ya na ebi mu kase ya sa twi nkofo twi adwinsi so omo se wo ukọ omo kro so Ghana fo so ti ho edigwa ya na eno so eye mesre kakra dia meme kan se ana dia guta da bia ye kan se so obi ko obi man so na eho mra wanfa anya adwuma ye ma mra ni no ye ntimi nka se obi so ti so obi abaha na ye se eniama a wo ye ne nya nti ye kan ho asem a so obi so Afrigana ko obi so man so na ye ade na enya ye nko defende na yeti hey yenti se omo ka se Ghana fo e wo ho no omo ye ade enye mini amati bi se ya kan ye dia omo so nka omo de na nka ye debate ni enu ye wa hey ye nim se Nigeria fo wo eniama bi omo de tabo ato so se yentimi mfa ma omo krom eye aduana ba ko edi enti no omo ye ne sa ye nyina ye ECOWAS ya sign after free continental free area ya sign
area
ECOWAS aminia atwema gwinsi so ya ye ni nyina but omo ye sa amra na denti na omo ye omo de bo omo nkrofo ho ban se sa niema na ye bi okromo de emfa bi ma ho ya jetum hwa Yeah, na nkrofo refer yen to after omu trimupo nyina ye goods of origin trimupo no osi eniema wo ye wo krom na ye ma free tariffs so de be ko obi su krom akoton na nya niema me no nyina ko gina Dubai yato enam so wo sika nti sisa ni nyina fa be gu mi krom na ton na mi krom fo no ka omu sa gu omu bo sana emra no ka enti ho kra no protection ho wose niema wo ye wo krom mimi mwai minim se yesi ye nuanom omo peyensa na ye wo krom apa monte
mate
ye wo Ghana ye yensa ye wo Ghana anya de ko akoton ye wo bibi wo so omo so ya omo betim dia ba abeton
ba anya de mu nyina mo
ko fa na bi se no de wo yesa omo egia no no ensise no omo timu pon no egia ne nipa ko no omo anu wo sika ene obeba be dampo na wuni ha na wu se omo ato omo bodam se omo ma ayi eniama ko amfa beni ko anwura
me twa adwia si ade bi so se ukotogo a won se ye kra ka
yeah
ade batogo
yeah
enso ukotogo a
yeah
obviously omo is it some duty free for car imports
yeah
because of that no omo cars go off
yeah
se Ghana ha se ya mind penning ahodoɔ a atena so twemle de ɔte so sisi aka se ye bema kwan ma Togo fo so de car ba ɛna se Ghana fo obukra car de ba no obi anto Ghana ni de obi beto Togo de because de ne bo be kɔ fo
entina car no so ko yi free Togo na so yi ni duty free kra na o ba ye wo bibia o se tua ɛno no ɛma the ono so di fa ba bi kra de ba Ghana no difference ni wo mu kra wo keka
and say no then na usu say aban anyama mo
me ba ncho aban akọ na aban we kra no GIPC law no wo mu na wo mu frase opanyi ekinkan o kire history no 2013 ana o be hye mu kina ye maami hana tete tai na omo hye mu
hana tete poga
ono de ekotena ekoso mu eni ehye mra no mu kina sese kura no ye kura ye di adwen bi ba eye gutafo adwen be na de ba ye se omo fa nhye mra no mu bieu na nkamra no enwie peye adwen ne se ye wura Dr. Bin ono de adwen ba ye wo se sesi edu ba bia ya ka se nipa no won fa niema ne bo no eye 1 million anase sika eye 1 million emra dia na kire se eniema na ode ba ye no na ye 1 million unse obi bisa asase
yeah me na me bisa
dia kire ni se wo bekwa akotua stamp duty 1 million ama aban 1% of $1 million no ese otua ama aban na je se wo dia ba tio adia GIPC for yen say omo enforce law na omo be monitor because certificate no omo de be ma no just 2 years fe and omo be tell say wa fa nipa aduonu no ba bia say wo ye wadwuma no wo ye wo ho ana omo be enforce sa na mani nyina anti omo enforce a 2 years no say wa anya yen san fa certificate no ye renew ma eno na ma ye hu say nipa no e bia wadi mra no so. But apart from that, you know, bibia ni wa kire say eniam o de ba ye no eduru 1 million and I say no 1 million.
Enti prem then na mo hwehwe fi aban ho.
I kire say de ye kura ka say mra ne yensom kina ne say won say ya ne ye ka bibi say oh Ghana for toothpick kura odwadini kofa ba eno na de pressure $2 no so. But the yesu ye kan say ya kura ya bie ama akoko ni nyina no edi dwa no won wodi dwa ni wie kura na edru so se profit na kwa or the pressure $2 no so na emum abanya hyehyese sika na wo si wo de ba ba ya adwuma no be deposit sika no e wo Bank of Ghana ni ehu so the 1 million na aba na wa start the imputation no then won fa pressure enko $2 no so
dia mo hwehwa
no eno ya ba ye fa nche mra no kina
okay
dia ya hwehwe ne se dia ni timpo pa ne se Aban was standing committee. I your friend retail trade committee on retail trade.
Yeah.
ɛno no ɛyɛ ministry of trade ɛna ɛyɛ committee no me a meti ha yi me na me represent adwadifoɔ nyinaa committee.
Okay.
Committee no aban foforɔ ba yɛ deɛ ɛnyɛ adwuma aban ma committee no nyɛ adwuma because committee no adwuma ne sɛ
na nyina so bɛn na wode wo a ne senti a wo ka sɛ aban foforɔ yi ba yɛ deɛ committee no nyɛ adwuma.
Oh, sɛ me se me wɔ so me yɛ member.
Anti mami mbisa kofi mami mbisa.
Yɛmfrɛ meeting.
Ɔmo mfrɛ meeting da.
Yɛmfrɛ meeting da. Ɛna sɛ me yɛ committee member no so a me yɛ committee member papa nti no me te sɛ ɛfɔm ɛwoso na ɛhɔ ara me frɛ national security member ɔno wɔ committee no so ɛna me draw attention to it me frɛ BNI member wɔ committee no so na me ka kyerɛ sɛ ɛfɔm nyɛ amanfo asate yɛ agitate sɛ ɛsɛ yɛyɛ education a yɛnhyia ne yɛnyɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛ sanitize market na yɛnhyia ne yɛn start ne yɛnyɛ.
But Gucha, but maybe some more proposal even to the Ministry of Trade akase mo pese mo ni omuhia on this particular issue and as omo te say mo pese mo ye kire no anye bia no the trade ministry omo a tunsa from one
sesi a make say die ensa ya to afre ye die metimi aka sisu say enyamae nanso
obi amfrɛ mo
ebetimi emae
dabi obi amfrɛ mo
dabi min tv
ana mo so mo nya adwen sɛ mo ba engage the trade ministry.
Ooh, say asama me no okay kra no ankra ye engage finance ministry guta de ye engage all the institutions but say ye yasam a ye kan advocacy na me nua kan ye no ebi na woni me ti ha ya me yi me kan ho asem ya hwe yi a ebedu ba bi no na afomo no no ma sori na gidi eno no aban no kra ba be hu leadership say leadership e fa e wo mu no ye ne enkrofo nko ye den enko kasa na nka me ka no say wutie ye ene ye pen puma sibira enka ye nu ba bi eduru ye no enti ye de ye kan asem ye sisei ohaw we na ekoso aban otibi na no sakefo ye a omututu wo shop mu nyina omuso wo ye meeting no aban ohun ye apolisi for payinfo regional commander deputy regional district commanders ye koshia wo mu nyina gutan payinfo so kobi wo mu nyina ni
but you had said say even in parliament mo wo some trade committee ana
trade parliamentary committee on trade yeah
mo engage you
say engagement ni there debi I engage you but see
when was the last time I engage you?
Oh aban ba ye ana say new parliament I engage you back but specifically no it was not on
this particular
in retail.
But why you as an association as a you are not planning to engage them because say where are okay e be a mature crata officially e dey come say this is the situation at hand address it for us but I don't know even as you sit here no per interaction I mean they have not been any official communication every moment to the government. Is that true?
Someone said near my agitation started me fan say now what year muna agitation started
now what year but I don't know undercurrent no undercurrent yes the idea way back of which your members have told you
yes the idea way back no social media and your man is circulate na say you see a community be a person on be talking kingdom bi wa and also on be establish kingdom bi wa but I know any trade issues national issues as a responsible leadership we avoid say dey who be say animal but no a trick or gadini na be fisi so say that be man defending my territory one way here the omo keka dey na eno no link ba ho
and I feel about it
I feel so say my me twa adwinsi bibi so
Juma na
no free o gadini no ho
jeba me go further
sir
go be abido
yes see create to be on me name me ya adwene say ya de mra ɛne nyina yɛde tim sɛ saa na Ghana mmara ne teɛ deɛ a ɛne ɛwɔ sɛ ɔma a mmara ne yɛ ɔmo deɛ no ɔmo de yɛ adwuma ɛnyɛ guta fo mbɛtumi akyerɛ
no they can advocate
ɛna mo na sɛ makyerɛ ne akyerɛ nyɛ
that's it
akyerɛ ne brɔfo yɛ sɛ
menti twi
so akyerɛ sɛ ebi a de obi didi mi no m'ani nye ho because aban no ɛne yɛ nyinaa yɛda no na ɛnyɛ adeɛ a afei na gutafoɔ ayɛ nsɛm no dɔɔso
SOMPA FM
me yɛ a na ɛha me sɛ ayɛ sɛ metu kwan akɔ amɔnɔne ɛni sɛ amɔnɔne ni bi ba no amfa mmerɛ ɛnyɛ nneɛma na sɛ kuromufoɔ no so ɛfa mmerɛ bi so ɛyɛ adeɛ a ɛnya a ɛno nso so mempere nso okay adɛn ɛna ɛbaa ne sei woka sɛ mmerɛ bi Ghanafoɔ pam alatafoɔ
mekan pa
aliens complaints order
I remember
ɛna yɛso so yɛpam alatafoɔ okay now for some strange reason I said de biara no sɛ wo ne alata ni di dwa ebi ɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu ɔmo interest rate ɔmo duty ɛne biribiara no for some strange reason yɛ na ɔmo nneɛma ɛfo kakra Ghana ne ɛfo mbodwa afɔ maame alata apampam store wɔn eti pɛpii no yɛ na yɛ Ghana afɔ no kora na yɛ temamufoɔ no a yɛ kɔnsutwɛ wɔn nyinaa na den de no ɛyɛ consumer na ɔno bro duty a wɔka ɛde a wɔka nyinaa wɔde bɛto so ama matɔ consumer na tua
baabi nyame so yɛ consumer
o me wo so kɔtɔ adeɛ fine but the mixture no sɛ wo deɛ na wo ka no saa kɔfa ne ma ba saa bo so kan sɛ so ɔbɛn lucky electronics and so wan me tɔ ne me free ne hɔ me kɔtɔ ne ma me na me tua ni duty ni bibia me na me tua so ne mpa kyerɛ no enti the question is say ɛdeɛn ɛna ɛbɛyɛ ama ɔmo haw a ɔmo sɛ haw ɔmo no yɛtumi aso ano ebi nie sɛ mo ne aban ka sɛ obi interest rate ɛyɛ less twɛn o competitor o next door neighbor eti o hwɛ na ɔno so ne duty anaasɛ ɔno ne interest rate ɛmbra fam a ɛtɔ asom duty harbor ɛwɔ soro dodo me yɛ na ɛmoawa me ne GIA foɔ me ne customs foɔ ayɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ boapayɛfoɔ me nua sɛ wotumi kɔtɔ kaa wa mo no ne me kaa me use me tɔ kaa ne $8,000 na e use car me bɛdu Ghana no ɔmo se duty na sika me tɔ wɔ dealer hɔ na ɛyɛ 8,000 no Ghana ha deɛ kaa ne bɛdu yɛ no time yɛ kaa no ɛbo a yɛ to so brand new no ɛne na ɔmo de bɛyɛ
ɔmo ti kakra bi titiri bɛ sɛ
dɛbi kò wá ti ase kaa ne tɔ ne 8,000 no me tua duty $14,000
really
I'm telling you
$14,000 car benga
na yɛ bi ɔmo rɛ X5 hwɛ ɛni ɛsɛ electronic car na aba
yeah
me ba boy obi si America ɔsi da ma tɔ foforo nti no ɔpa fakɔ Ghana maybe me phone isi di akyerɛw maybe sa yɛn ɔmo bi sa duty car no ɔno no ɔkɔ trading hina yɛbɛ ma ne $11,000
ɔkɔ trading hina
ɔkɔ trading sɛ ɔkɔ gye foforo
yɛba ne
yɛn anasɛ ɛbu a yɛbɛtɔ no no maame fa Ghana same car me bɛdu Ghana duty no kora bɔ ɔdi nkyɛn car na mede ma no mede ba bɛkyerɛw ɔ ɔbi ɔhɔ nom a mesɛ mene ɔma akoa wokɔ kaa na akɔɛ sɛ wokora wokasa because wo MP na woto abama ano no ɔnwene wo ho that is the problem because sɛ gutafoɔ ɛwɔ hawa wo MP ɔsɛ ɔtumi bɔ namaneɛ mini MP ɔsɛ mtumi bɔ namaneɛ that is their role so wɔkɔ parliament a they should go and advocate on behalf of the people. Any found in the bag, any from the mommy. From the mommy. No, seriously. Come and say, wow.
Ghana have said, your duty no was so do.
Tesla near a dear medical and a crash. And I'm going to be on one case. This is canny 5 years old.
Yeah.
Do Johnson Benjamin can't be drawn. On Benjamin 216,000 Ghana cedis.
216,000
Ghana cedis.
2.6 billion. 2.16 billion.
Yes.
All cities.
And yet, na say what to come? Na say what yes sir. E be na go for so any name.
Until wait up mebo.
And Tesla and any idea
mebo.
I'm on it. Yeah, my incentives.
For the purposes of education and clarity, you know, the person become taxes and duties payable. Duty near 422 cities. No. Am I seeing this one well? Okay, 422.311. Okay, that's 422. And then no about import VAT 537. No about processing fee 422. ECOWAS levy 422. Vehicle certification, some persons vehicle examination fee 422. Network charge and also then 409.
Internet charge account.
Internet charge no. Network charge VAT. Internet charge yes I charge VAT also. And also 1,696, and then network charge COVID-19 health.
Thank you.
Wow. 1,639. COVID-19 akoi. So like that's what charge COVID-19 charge. Ghana Shippers Authority.
Thank you.
SNF fee, and also 9 cities. Import. NHIL
National
Health, okay, and also 9 cities. Network charge NHIL, and also 1,639, and then overall penalty 422, and then Ghana Health Service disinfection fee. And this one is multi-IDF fee, and also then 422. Special import levy 422. Ghana Export Import Bank exempt 422.
For your number,
Ghana Education Trust Fund import 506.
Get fund
Network charge get fund levy. Hey. African Union import levy, and also oh Charlie, government discount offering, and also
50%. And value no. Kano was 5 years old, so I probably say 5 years brand new no. Maybe a little under 40,000.
But Accra na Accra. COVID-19 health recovery levy 506. Hey, Ghana, you are sick.
No, you are sick.
No, but nobody does.
No, let me explain.
The taxes no does.
Let me explain.
So explain.
Let me explain. That's why I say I blame Parliament, because all these things, you know, has to be approved
by Parliament.
By Parliament. Yeah. Okay. Say there was a select committee on trader. There was a select committee on finance. There was a select committee on Salimani. So what is your responsibility? Book be your friend blue book, and I say adak. Car brand new, price room, use, price room, accident car, price room, Ghana
customs, they have it.
Customs, they have it. What catch you say? As one more catch you no. Yes, because Mr. Bikita book ni bi. Price na mo de ma me no. almost here. How do you say it?
Look at
may share from Commissioner Blankson.
Yeah.
Up to the last one. Mami no call you know. Obana no a commissioner in friends. And yes, yes. And they know. But because look, you're parliamentarian now you cannot. Ya ko kanya se bia wuta obi. Me offer say no MP. Why deputy minister? Oh no abaye no. Abaye I guarantee. I'm not got a brand new vehicle. Abaye I guarantee no. Who here MP? Who ba per the Ghana laws no. You are guaranteed by the state to buy a vehicle. No fear amount to no. To be a honor or top 4x4. Not a small car because what is going to be so. On your duty.
But Governor you know that your MPs now yet to a babom. They stand on the ticket of a particular party. And when they go to parliament, yenga ye timemufua ye to a babom coin, they forget us and think and do with the party's interest. They do with the party's interest.
Campaign or say to mommy, but
is that the reality?
That is when you don't use the party. A Colombia Senate here. But you go there to do the business of the people.
Which is not done.
You're friendly the people's house.
But which is not done.
But that's the way it should be. Because instead of us doing advocacy on Sanya Mano, we end up doing NDC and NPP. And there might be benefits here in Nano. We don't want to talk about it. You just more almost more okay.
Yeah.
And I'm just as a consumer, the basic piano, una utia. In America, and talk about money China for Kuya. They say America consumers say they be they don't Trump and more. Because at the end of the day, no, or no Donald Trump no, already and fan on touch okay, but we know America, you know, one a importo and a bar. Me good for me.
Yeah.
Now if you say by now, a minimum will be, and I'm gonna be on man. By now, you manufacture our Kruma. Then we can give you protection. Say we are manufacturing them here, and it's always what they buy. It does not come and manufacture them here, or we put higher tariffs on you, a deterrent. If it's a gun and need the protected, that's therefore the anti-Krumana. Cantata, the can I say.
Sarfo Kantanka. Yeah, I mean, kind of pricey.
Yes, I don't need their boy. Because no, most of the things will be imported. Okay, but in China, almost if it's normal, you know. Say time. And almost flooded the whole world market. And then China first, almost a car, almost on export. Almost making sure, say, almost casting here good. Actually, normally buy for export. And now who Chinese car, Maybach, a German for Maybach Mercedes, you know.
Yeah.
The Chinese version, the whole man, 50% lesser.
Welcome to Chairman Quina. We'll be delving deep into this particular matter. And just say, what can your position from a government, the emotion share free or more, but GDPs are buying penny for it. Now, one and respond, almost within some specific timelines. Yeah. So if they don't act up, a Muniamana Mokana, obey a chain.
Yo, a honor, mammy can be crown, say, Namini Church Gutano, a Ghana Union of Traders Associations. Enti, me am a greater Accra chairman. May preside over about 30 sector association.
By their volunteer membership. And your corporation.
Oh, say a good year up now.
That's a good up around.
I'm members in the 38. Do you know members? I can mention them to you.
It is another 400 in there.
400. 400 no, or you trader. And that's a good talk or cancel. Nasa and Nuntino. Emma adiasumbie ba trader no enjoy bi enya problem but me can say ye hye no say won koye bibi enu ntina minua Kofi asemo wokan enu ntina me twe na adwuasi bibi so aban frɛ yen ma parliamentarians ne friends say ne dollar na ekɔ fam na yɛn kɔ sɛ yɛ members na ɔmo nte so no yɛ ka kyerɛ ne sɛ saa tumi no ɔmfa bi mae ɛne akɔyɛ he said it enti yɛ bidi a yɛyɛ bia yɛde mmara na ɛyɛ adwuma no yɛ ka kyerɛ ne sɛ yɛyɛ deɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu akyerɛ odwadini ni sɛ oh sɛ dollar boɔ no ba fam enti sɛ wotɔn adeɛ a wobɛtumi de atɔ dollar ni bi sɛsie a ɛno so wobɛnya ne reasonably enti wopa wo nneɛma no ma ne mmra fam na yɛntɔ dodoɔ ma wo na watumi atɔ dollar nso bi
but on the issue of say mo association mo complaining mo call banks are dollars no mo nsanka no I don't
information sɛsie
mam information
deɛ ɔno sɛ ɛyɛ no korɛ yɛnya feedback no if your members say transfers ɔmo yɛ no obi deɛ koraa pɛndi bi wɔ a 1 month na ntimi nkɔɛ na yɛ ne Bank of Ghana officials ahyia
all right
yɛ ne ɔmo hyia yɛ no ɔmo kyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ ɔmo nim sɛ wokɔ now request for forest na banks no so agye nneɛma a ɔmo customers ni hia no dodo ɔmo hia nyina na ɔmo so akɔ request from Bank of Ghana enti ɛba na sɛ ɔmo de forest no ma wo a ɛsɛ wo di document kɔ na de kɔ retire de ɔmo nyaayɛ no so ansa na wo pɛ foforo a
usasa aka ba wa jimi retire de anya de onsa
anya de ɔno kɔkora obenya bia free obenya bia free Bank of Ghana ho ɛna ɔde bia brɛw but yesu e mo ɔmo te ase sɛ obiadi ni bia obɛkɔ bank bia no na okuta ne nkrata enti na wɔkɔ bank every say yɛn nim sɛ ɛmra ɛwɔ ho wokɔ a ɛsɛ ɔde invoices kɔ ɛnneɛma ɛsɛ ɔde kɔ nyina yɛnim enti sika no deɛ enti ɛsɛ sɛ yɛre ase kɔ bank ne sɛ wahwɛ mu a bank rate ne yɛ 10 point something
10.50 as we speak now
interbank ɛyɛ about 10.8 ebi kura kɔ 11
yeah
but oba abotchi hɔ a ɛyɛ 12 something
abotchi na $1
enti wɔn sɛ difference no ɛna abotchi so na $1 no
now I don't understand abotchi for no benya dollar
me ba chotie me kyerɛ
o fi Nigeria nyina ba
yeah baby o de fi Nigeria nyina ba
ɛna sɛ Nigeria nyafo te sɛ deɛ Ghana deɛ no ɛfo kyɛn Nigeria nanso yɛyɛ ka kyerɛ officials na ɛbɛtena sɛ yɛadwi mu no yɛhu sɛ dollar no eliki kɔ abotchi hɔ
from the Bank of Ghana
from banks not from Bank of Ghana
but from the commercial banks
yes omoji a eliki kɔ abotchi hɔ
eliki kɔ
yes because sometimes your members ni bi mo feedback say omo kɔ banks ntimi ka say kɔ abotchi hɔ obenya bi
maybe so letters of credit and you maybe on
ɛyɛ adwuma but say kura no say no deɛ ɛkɔ no
me ba to hwɛ
say deɛ yɛka no yɛnka sɛ yɛkɔkɔ gye liquid no ɛna ɛde kɔ yɛ adwuma o
debi
transfers kura ɔmo nyɛ no ɔmo so ɔmo ni sika wɔ hɔ a ɔmo betumi ayɛ transfers ɛnyɛ liquid ne yɛkɔ
so is it a deliberate attempt by Bank of Ghana say obe sanitize this system so the liquid forex na on the commercial banks see yeah fam is it an attempt say ombetimi money restricting dollar na eliki ekwa abotchi ho na
ya no omo adi nkomo bebre ya church room say nsitie because you see no ye kra mo ma te ase say this time kra abotchi ye transfer a content bank
abotchi ni ye transfer
oh masa papa ti ya me asabia me kan bia me kana say de me kan no nya yi a ono onim oya very advanced nti no obeka
so me on
me say abotchi ye transfer abotchi timi ye transfer utimi ma abotchi ye transfer udi cedis na beko na abotchi convert into dollar no aye transfer no
why transfer no way
ko baby a wodi way ya man wodi bibia man e beko yebetua
enti oboko koye no bank ana
me pa chaw me de minimo abotchi ya man akoda bia so na me ka kire oh me say abotchi ye ko me kai papa e onye maki
na send email say omo
e de ho e ma ni nyo ho abotchi ye na ko a hwe e ko a achekra 30 to 45 minutes. What me fre o customer no and now supplier no e ma ne ko register.
Okay, so is that supposed to mean say abochi no esam say on free maimu ha na o free
abochi for the free Ghana.
E be for free Ghana. And now do they have some foreign foreign banks.
Abochi na ye usual ne say e black market.
Oh, minute. Some
the mention is say e ho no etimi ko eti ye kwa ye ka kire bank ni say now abochi asa migrate every baby on my credit. I'm telling you.
abochi man credit.
Abochi can give credit of 90 days. Papa you own him. Oh, I dey be American here. We catch you.
Me ba choma me no na so.
Enti ye ne Bank of Ghana kasa. Ya church almost animal nyina because they say ye nyina ya person on mine no. Bibi o bia ma ye fancy. Ye kan say ni sitie. Na almost so asho en say saa sama ya kan nyina no omo di goods ani ani. Anya saa. Hwe sika empedede speculations ebetimi amade na sesa ne nko a
Minimpa.
Na say speculators. They are speculators.
Enti the ya kan no ya the Bank of Ghana so kire ne say obaboa no ahwehwem na few days ahead no waboa na onim say enye no nko a yesan no omo kan bibi fa foreign shippers and our shipping lines are omo no use abochi rate and omo dey charge here wo porto
Na say American embassy.
Shippers no.
Omo use once some be use interbank rate and now say we at least interbank rate and now Bank of Ghana rate no omo use abochi rate and omo dey charge here.
Really, eh?
Yes. And it is our here say bi enam omo separate e was system no say ebi muru ha metimi afọ bi amam Bank of Ghana dey directives aba
Yeah.
immediately say saade no omunyai either so be use interbank rate nti omo start wo eno nyina no ma duty no say me ni kan nyina ni nyina ma ne koso but ni nyina boils down to say agban ne mfa mra e wo oman mu no enye adwuma fi say to me no eni obi odwadifo anim eno was actually
Mame na ase se obaye nana kwabna pepra yebeda wase se obaye nyame nshira na for the benefit of our listeners no nana kwabna pepra Guta chairman Greater Accra regional Greater Accra region.
Yeah na me say Guta national financial secretary.
Oh, financial secretary.
Yeah now
eja
oh
eja
no musica.
Yeah, that's it. Forgotten country, that's why.
Yeah.
Yo, yeah, that's it. SOMPA 106.5 FM. You better try and about to ba. Kofi Kapito waha. No, Kofi Kapito. This issue you have to say. You are also okay. Issue now you can't want some this is you can't want some. This issue we have to talk about. And you know, I can't want some this here. Papa de kasa wie here. Oh, David, Kofi now. Kofi what for back there?
Oh, me what did I problem?
And our back no forex woman. You try one pass here.
Kweku, minim se wa yehye. Me kra man nane. Na so ebony show ho a embaso.
Mane hon sepeno. Ebony Condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony Condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom will then it's not on, but don't support as a condom.
Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Ghana had the obi enim say ye prostate. Na baby omutimi ye screening ema hu ni ye etu asia. Na eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Anase eye kidney, eye liver problem. Wo fa baby ena adjujo. Na de fa ne premature ejaculation no a be ma bi a wo ne wodofo akwakwahia. Asa wo di ne ho agro. Asa wo tonte. Ene ye bra Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Na ye moa wo. Ema ne mema mo pa wo. Eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo dem fua. Yare bia infections bi ne wo ho. Anase bia wo hwa wo fa baby na adjujo. Kidney problem, prostate de. Eye Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo ma se wo be hu Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. E wo Kronoma boy here. E na Accra hanso so de. Wo mo gina mu ankasa. E wo Spinters baby friend share signboard no. Wudru na obusa sa wo pe Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Obia e be kire. For Endpoint e wo 0244867068 and 0274234321. Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Wo mo dem fua. Eh medo. Edra no pa wutimi to wo boase. Etwitwiwusi o. Do. Na so ni se me de Yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima me nya homka. Sentina ye bokoyi na me die me all time favorite Yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush aboa me ama sesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me senfimfim me biem na wo hwasa me se aye fita sesrechi ahoma na et brightens Yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush and me de hwimese entina wo se afei na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herbal, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa. Sawo Pedudu 2 Ewon Kran Ha, for Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste Moahuduo, and then the brush Abejaso, Abeboye.
SOMPA 106.5 FM. Thank you so much for staying on the show for us. Like I said, you Lexa Company Limited, Omafa, you made in Hoka, Yacht toothbrush, Yacht toothpaste, Soranopa, Nabachu, Sia, Apostle, no Marine Yas, toothpaste, Nafa brush, no, Fetri, Nadia. Yes, Uchu Sia, Moja Bainano, and Tobichana Sakai, you say, Mama will num can be through Abano, halitosis will be a thing of the past. Remember, Nakope Yas, toothbrush, toothpaste, and war a supermarket via Ben will be out. Bombarding Nafre 050-161-9588. Again, read them on 050-139-0338. Yas toothpaste, and then the brush, a kamapa. Sasso na bidiba for herbal center so abo echidom kesepa e dey forgotten the country and the brewe kai say usisi na ye oya waposo je wenje say esitire yade bojabroso wahra na obrebo mpeso fa afuro enso dem an chedam ko ye a but modern bidiba for herbal sector Dr. Time da so or no and ebe ka wasab e dey about bombarding pie na from 0244774282. Again, read them on 0500-727-215. You should have one crying ha. I will put quasi my ira. Sasuna Kokumasi, I'll be home more Wakwa Agogo. Behind the government school, they do share more. Dr. Time da so, the Lord is our ultimate healer. As I say, when you catch that say, Time Herbal Mixture. I was a prophylaxis, but I was also bombarding baby other dado and a panel with tribute. You may tribute. Go ahead, buying a free malaria, any fever, basa, ho. The patriotism can make you rare, bombarding up a Time Herbal Mixture. When you're malaria and run a beca was some ediama, wouldn't ya when no matter to Edianum Punya would deck me patcho. Time Herbal Mixture, I never can was some amount. It's an immune system booster, and of course, I want to make one must have the Time HH Mixture and capsules. No, I have a good man. So I know there. Who find the Debiara da? Emma Unya a hoto sauce on Kona Sakai say, Obi Ana origin so ya. You mentioned Uncle ya. Me patcho Time HH Mixture, and then the capsules. I never can was some amount. Abanum bemanum na upe biatoa. Drugstore pharmacy shop be a pen obiano idea one sabeka bombarding na friend 0244-417-669. These are some of the sponsors, but there are other sponsors right here. Ebusia yebedi ehun komo nenyumre live here on Sompa 106.5 FM. Kofi abidu mami femfem I say I'm you're very good president Greater Accra regional President the Kasaro Okan Bibidi Chato. I saw you say now we're interest. But somebody has also whispered to my ears, a good for a crowd, Omunya boarding.
Oh, winning. And yet, good Ghana, ye penfaso dodo. Ghana ye penfaso dodo because you be a DB or Tombiano and Faso Egusuno. And yet 50%. And you over 100%. Now, business, Oko business school. Say if you make a profit of 15%, that you make plenty profit. Ghana will be in Honoma, the profit is 50%. And they say, me, what the 52 so I'm missing the 50% media so. No, be so the 60. At the end of the day, no, none man bo a cost row. Here, on one lot of no more. And I even at all, I don't know a lot of phone, and I wish, I don't know. Chinese who call Okasia. Chinese for was stores. Chinese for was stores. Because Ghana Nino, goodwill our pentino. Who Ghana Nino to be into a goodwill, whatever Chinese in whatever Latin. And then Okanshi, goodwill, 5 years.
Yeah.
Yet me Joe, equivalent of $100,000 for 5 years. Now they are going to work on. And then I have part of me Accra for business store warrior. Meanwhile, that is we see no a long term, yeah short term. And to young Ghana for now, ya buying. I was yet to be trusting who said, she and Tete and Yama so. Ah, man, Yama, Anya for Ghana for Anna, a high. Tama, a COVID-19 by
yeah.
Now America, me kokaho. Na nanko for take advantage. Omo timi ebu enko for adem say about box here be a bebe say $9 ah. Ebi timi tono over $100. The American government otimi nko for me sir. O catch omo say scam mo making you omo farmer yes sir, he will prosecute them and they should stop. And a max no a year for 4.
Wow.
Yeah, that is the power of government. How can I believe in free trade more than us, you know, free enterprise? Now there's no price control, but at a certain point you cannot gouge the people.
A different story.
Me koto Kelewili.
Yeah.
Me di Kelewili 20 cities. How?
The board thing.
Kelewili 20 cities.
That 20 cities get to a view. Excuse me, say board any ho. The board any ho ntia. I will say Kelewili duty mayo. Tax mayo. Because in count. Car you go free. Well, as a Ghana for Kasane, you have normal profits.
And I tell medical catcher. Medical catcher. So be a quite quadri. Yen yen nimbo. Hwe me call store bi Accra or sa professional iron.
Yeah.
And what the boy above. Me so ne me hu bi wa monone. I'm sure they ne body oh there be oh any boy no nya no or tono 1,300 and something yen. To buy no calculate here no. And so they or did you 450. And I'm saying that's 1,000 they lose ah. Me calculate 1,300 one year no. And $188.
Wow.
And run for what in the trick? Well, you see the now the koto no and or the duty. Now I'm saying me amount dollar, me amount cedi. And to how they say dollar now will lose no. We bet me the biato so apa. But that is how we are. Obia Udru Aboso kind. Udru Mamobi. Udru there was a Newtown your friend saying. Newtown market in your friend saying.
Malata.
Udru Aboboloshi.
Udru Dome. Ube Pia Nina say, na the duty boy thing. And a dollar cost. Yes, Obia says $1 cost. But they say dollar no buffalo. Excuse me, say go come see there be. You want never go there more dada. Yeah, the $15, 15 cedis.
ɛna ɛkɔtɔɔyɛ
SOMPA FM
ɛgyegye yɛtɔn
medase maame mbere a ɛyɛ bi dia kwegwata Ghana for nipa bonfo
maame cha no tifu
tifu
and now more here on Facebook
aye
Abotchie
yes
I'm in the same
I want to go on one
okay just no my ID
Abotchie
yes
I'm in the same about to
rapping
consumer protection
agency yeah
and I am no pagan musu
guta yeah
be hu parent no mani age na nka menya kra nka yen nko na nka wo
sa
because me a business person nti guta and I'm say consumer nti omo mienu no omo discussions na nka ma fa ba free Ghana for digwa no bebre ni pa bonefo
Ghana for digwa no le pa bonfo
I mean, my examples therefore.
Okay, that's fine.
Emra, a case duty widen. And now Kufu Ado Abai. Ordinary views. So, and then a Diane, a more and one duty to 50%. And almost take card there, so 30%. That time, Accra Design Central. Design Center, as at the time I make crack can, not due to near 24,000. But I can't be doing between a little over 18,000. Design match, and then so I can't get one due ban. None duty was about 60,000, 6,000. But one near ton or market 18,000 that time. A bono biante, so of course in the toilet. In this reduction now, what do you think? Duty house a man or my boy at the about 50%. Now what you use 30%. I think a impact. Oh yeah, price and so DDA and this animal never know. That's one thing. I would say me vote they did a lighting in so common as say
SOMPA
FM 1,005. My friend Nigeria 300 cities over to there.
Better 300.
When they didn't know me, they go explain tire.
Oh,
the crown I make a tron.
Good for they go explain tire.
The crown I make a tron. So I know ma was saying duty and no duty. Me consumer there na me. The Americans me kona dey ni bi wo ho. Na me sika bit me adan ato. Nti store dan na wo cycle na ya lata fo nko an nya Ghana ni na di omani nya dwadifo na bi na di omani me so be kokra bi wa Ghana ni na age store no contract ni ye between Ghana ni no ani fie wura no ana no agida no no asablete e de ama Nigeria to be Nigeria fo be bu bi adan bo heading ba also wo dan na ye dan a nipa tenam na so de be ma Nigeria ni na apase dan ne say because the many nipa ba ko a e be wi achi ne nipa 100 na tifio o yan so na ma san na wako e te Ghana ni illegal connections Abotchie ukọ baby alatafo ni ti se chechima ani brekum wo zo bia illegal connection o pa kwan clever Nigeria for eti bebre illegal nko but yenya so na yeso omso intermediate sanu mana aye ko mu no omoko no omo price ni because you say onu akwaboso kan na osiminya bi ade say me fra alata fo na wo ka tem ade so friend Nigeria no me obi o Nigeria na me number me de ntimi nya call ni
obetimi aye call
nti so mo fi say ese aban no ne ye ne alata fo no trans ne ye nhihye bi amomi enye goma ko Nigeria Lagos akon Ghana ni a ochi bofro to da
survivor
mako Nigeria Lagos akon Ghana ni a wa provision store amet me aka to say Ghana for Nigeria do so che Nigeria for
really
yes
SOMPA FM
I say e kan omo a no omo kam ade na omo kam nda no last 3 years sana net year. On desire be on come.
Yeah.
And the other no come one no more than me padie we onya mame me ka na me jai. Na ze ade no kwa no e ma me problem bia they didn't know why I me yaka. They go explain tire. Ombe kasa sa ombe bre. Nkosi hwe. Yen hwe na price of yen you goods I wo man mu ha no. E na of akufi kan no. Ghana ni beto obo de wa go. Time a agriculture minister ka say yen fa body en fi agogo mra ahase. Na a kia load of body wa go 8,000 Ghana cedis.
Sure.
If you do Accra, first market never con market queen, 1,000 cedis. Okay, I load you. A cost a can market 1,000, and the cost for market 4,000. Now they can 8,000 on 9 consumers near Kutria. 4,000 plus 8, and then 50% of account. Market queen is on store. So the South at the same way market way. Could you hear a survey? Could be the same Kruma a queen way. Maybe the same Kruma table way. Onibi. But who do Kruma about on a better said there about Tom? And Sunday says you are was out the bow. Abbe Sabi or Saturday, a bepono, no work and turn back. After so I do beer or then the price out to so no us sour can turn back on what. Tomato, no way, and that crown grown across Ghana, baby, a market twin will be a son of you. Meanwhile, who said, no, I was summon a Trescan. Or no Nipana, only a business person. We are there on some fashion where they or pay because school fees are out on the Viana on the Sutria. Who was our campo, not the above a book consumer. Then I go to see bar tomato. Or more better tomato. 8 me top duro at the farmers no more they are components in our bravonas about the buna price knife our background and body. They do time now rubber black nails in minimum. No talk tomatoes 150 Ghana. My background 600 Ghana.
Mamma, good job, I say.
Prof,
we have a hurry. And I want your conversation I call so.
That be mentioned my betia ni
then I'll tell you.
Say my banner experts I can be the one cemetery and one my
oh input we have make here
oh mention an input baby and I say never who be on my carry
could you ban
omaka
na ochina media budget review ochina media budget review
na can be expectation.
Okay. All right, ma'am. Okay.
No politicians don't mind dealing with it.
Martin. Very happy to meet you. What's your expectation?
Some more you know. And to them, Ghana blast and a black prince in you know.
SOMPA
FM.
Kofi, there be.
Who be that?
Kofi.
Oh, me, oh, me, who be that? Tie, black queen was say, a man you could be free, sir. Or moving near. Yana de Bayer. I, Yana, your person or Moji. Oh,
Kofi.
Oh, me.
Okay,
me what did you tell? Che me say, who to know where we are, what is something? Ghana no more. No more ye pound because of fee said, yeah, because under this administration, NAJ, women's influence, the black men's, why? Say, for front of so opposition empire body say, oh, yes, say, Bolivia was Africa happen. Said national team Bobo, no more win here because a politician no born on my level.
But using it, they will get abused in
Africa. And I said national team Bobo, no more win here. Politicians should be if we say no born on my level because what better credit?
That is our problem.
That is our problem. But the main crab brim. Hey, sebi. Se blast our bobola. Who dare you so because say, I ain't say one. Yes, you go for yes, blast them go for you.
Yes, we can
ebi twa hwiwu enso na
but na entesa
o me se na de obi e wo che no bompa ye Ewurade mo mu lusu me say in the name of Jesus Ewurade mo mu lusu
against supporters
so le pa che no sanity but budget yes my yeke nya me pa na
expectations
mebo aban owo so abaso wo oba ebusumi nsu meka se mi hu dodo de nemo keka no mi hu dodo bebre bakakra wetimi aya me fi so ma ya de eye seed ni dollar no o ma ya de meka se petrol no so no somewhere along the line o mo ya de ba I say crocodile John bia bembisa
1 cedi levy on every liter
yeah omo ya ade ba je say no
omo the crocodile
John abia bem
SOMPA
FM mebo ma baso na if ye free hand mo ko no Ghana ni bia pese wonye adwuma ye
okay
ko woni adwuma wa brabo ensi Ghana ni bia pese wonya apomuden Ghana ni bia pese school papa abai ebeya ne ba benye biako Ghana ni bia pese ekwaya ofaso ekwa no ye papa Ghana ni bia pese bambo e wo se eya adia otimi fili budget here ye beyi me as a consumer protection agency person me feel say sanima ma bobo gonde no aban consider sanima we bi emienu se susu ya bem amanfo bebo o mo nsima ma wo because you will chroma sebe street light something can once a macho still you mo hwe akwaya ye ken na bi so bi se ya na ko kan ya se o ya ma so ka ke ya ne ne se ma ya ma so till ekwan bi ye koye ye se koye train ye rehabilitate train wo Ghana ye good me hu se ye ka se ye de commercial train ye passenger train ba me so me kwa bi edun tu kuma se ban cry me the sleeper na buy ba na o se get train e do paga na o se get do abani mi enu no we painting red gold green why we train back up no dey fancy wom tu tema we so we are the same thing no so dey fa no dey call but baby I start free you know boys brigade boy tell me from Kumasi to Takrade Harbour you dey train e call here na
me kra ma that slipper muda from Kumasi to
and we say
Takrade
the end start here no we bruni no no chuku chaka no and then why bullet train
me hu bi
what mean the train fight so as tracks railway tracks no Ghana for now say etwomo say we are throwing scraps
railway tracks no Ghana for now say twitwa
throwing the scraps
bakofi e komo adwuma ni man no
me pacho eno so ka ho Bible crash say ensa enye adwuma nya no kan say mani didi enti ono ko be fa so
be survive no
yeti kroma uko ka ya na ehye ye ni mmere ye ni baby aye ton scraps pavement holes na ye de na de akekata kata
yeah
wo be ko ni tu me nante from Alisa Hotel ebe sine kwa airport junction na masan baba minim se da so ho a emre bi airport Jubilee House edim ho na sa ade no ya tutu traffic light na police for jira ho Rakovi we free from Ridge Roundabout all the way to airport junction there was only one trash can ever 37 station.
These are issues we would have to get into another day.
Ghana ni bi ape.
Ejuma.
Apomuden. Ejuma. School papa. Obenya nsu anom. Obenya nkania. nneɛma a ɛbɛba ne ho ato no edi budget no mɛsira aban no hyɛ ɔmo nhwɛ ɔmo timi nyɛ ne nyinaa deɛ
yes
bɔn ɔmo nyɛ baako bi a yɛbɛn sɛ wei deɛ ghana de bia no yɛyɛ biribi a yɛsɔ akakra ne yɛgya ne yɛsɔ akakra ne yɛgya completion adaka from independence o motorway yɛn starting motorway na British broni na wɔnyɛ motorway M25 bisa time ɔmo yɛ M25 up to now yà bisa obi sɛ eti yà na ɛnyɛ enyim sɛ since independence Accra to Kumasi various governments aba Ghana yɛntumi nyɛ the 2 lanes all the way through.
Brako fi yɛn fa kɔmɔnɛsi why.
eti bɛ sira mo ma budget mu nkwa ne nyɛ dɛ.
ọmọ wa budget ni dɛ.
emu nkwa nyɛ dɛ.
emu nkwa nyɛ dɛ okay. Yo. Brako fi kapitu yɛ daase. Yo. Kofi Kapito, Consumer Protection Agency CEO, now 7 they did come on. Now, about the expectations of the budget, but I want us to look at a year in the Lands Ministry, led by the Minister for Lands, and the Wakanism, the fight against Galamsey. Or say adding dear, but who said they are going to win a Galamsey. Nipa a year 1,345 yachreomo. Excavators be brave. Minimum can somebody tabuato so our port. Obo ye hwehwem hu say you acquire excavators no e ba be di e wo Ghana. I think about 200. But ma a year really akwaba. Okay, akwaba bi. No. We have a there. Are you winning the fight against Galamsey? Your government.
Oh, we are putting our possible best to make sure Galamsey becomes a thing of the past. But to say
becomes a thing of the past.
Yeah. But to say as of now, the minister has put out all the facts available. Bansa na baba sa Samson ma memfa nchia so nkwa ma woni watifo.
Etifo Joso.
Normal ritual.
Sure.
Na ma chia me bra peni ma betu no fie dwem ha. Na me mbo no so ni nyuma pa oye e de abo Ghana na MPP. Na no so mo conference yete mo nkan. Some reforms. No strong opposition and the Maya strong government.
What's your monk say?
Oh, you're my reforms. I invite you so you're quiet. You're quiet. Now they are Bamonko check you as a more jumpy view. And now,
then was something come up to question. Then no much.
One of the 40 something figures, it seems you didn't vote on it. And now, Matese McGarry meet FM draw more attention to it. Even Miracles Abuaje can say they will go and look at it. That's all my jumping. He said, "I'm going to have a conference there." Well, Penny, my
yeah, me bato eti o.
Budget no more same day emu hwam.
Sa.
Ansana me ba so no obisa question bi. Ma me chia Minerals Commission CEO say what me nka this year.
Ah.
Wa send me message. Say ote me nka. Minerals Commission CEO Nana Martin Ayisi Esquire.
Oh, okay.
Na papa no obi a obo adwuma pa. Obo adwuma what the nyoma bia to in place for Minerals Commissioner. And then you know something, let me give you a brief story.
All right, ma'am.
Just 30 seconds.
All right, that's
when we say Martin Kwakwa Ayisi was an appointee of Nana Addo Dankwa
I know.
Exactly. But yeah, no Jomama extend.
Also.
This is what we talked about when we were talking about the resetting agenda. Sa winners take all, you know, ye chum. Na sebi technocrats are sebi nipa ni MPP ni kwana so.
Na so we dey back up.
No problem. Na Minerals Commission ye post ba. Minerals Commission ye post ba. Minerals Commission.
No, me say I post back up.
Tell me say you post. What you say back up? Ye kana sa keke.
Na minti.
Na Martin Kwakwa Ayisi anormal join out to work. First na even I was part of the people who raise agitation say, oh wait, are there no more jai? The MPP need yes, but it seems say His Excellency John Domani Mahama Nana Martin Kwakwa Ayisi awaja na to ono for some time now no has proven say John Mahama ni mnyoye den onimnyoye na the man has proven because nimdia awade ba border sebe ekura ye Minerals Commission ye Minerals even the new act we are about to pass no Martin Kwakwa see have shown critically. There have been one major issue. I remember Bonguda Wuro say Krobia said ye too magudi bia bedi humfaso. One, infrastructure development. Some normal social amenities and scholarship for the children are there, even including employment. Baby, you to a good dear bia benya humfaso. Ma pretty science Nana Martin Kwakwa see Esquire at me design then ashe art no more Kwakwa then on Kwakwa pass it. I have a bagana. Etinana say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ajay Papa say at all inclusive government. An all-inclusive government. Na MPP for cry from some boy ni mbumai. Na omu technocrats na omu agene na boy ni ebumai. This should tell you see we really mean the reset agenda na ye baba ye. Na say MPP for nkasa kura je reset agenda na tum na nan haya Legon Stereo wa kwa reset yo mu party. Nana. Nana echina budget on asem. Ma men kai na taw. Before I'm ever budget no so no. At least in the past 7 months, and the government have chalked some successes. And then, but a fair niaba, ye be. And then, another of a capito ekano. Said the Ghana in the penana said the Ben Sitina Mubede no Hobertono in his livings or in his daily activities. Send a Hobertono, and then a Ghana in here. One of the major issues in Ghana for a core polling station. Massively ABC in the Fourth Republic percentage now His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and ABC dane was based on the economy. Ye sika 7 to 20 ho enintiana Ghana for a board on pem line eto aba edema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na oba ye no so one in the finance minister and the Ghana for hwiamo. At least we talked about what today, if you are talking about inflation, many wait me that the dance here say inflation is gradually moving to a single digit. And I'm no homebody, inflation is gradually moving to a single digit. And then by the effort of Atuforcing, any John Dramani Mahama when it comes to the economy, automatically your debt is so at almost about 113 billion Ghana cedis. After your debt so. So when my breaking news almost about 113 billion Ghana cedis after your debt so.
Then he freeze.
Oh, Abi say very simple.
Because somebody want to write. No. So what's the reason?
The appreciation of the cedi against the dollar has made it possible. Say your debt so at almost by the 113 billion Ghana cedis. And now your debt to GDP ratio. Now it was 60-something% and a swat about 43. That particular projection way IMF my projection no say you bet me talk this particular success in the next 9 years. But say within 7 months yatimi about be talk that particular ayina was in the next 9 years and in just 7 months. And this is one thing I was here then. You bought finance minister and in the team no abaso. And then CD appreciation against the cedi is almost about 42%, which is unprecedented in the Fourth Republic, which in this our Fourth Republic has never happened. So we have had a huge percentage appreciation of the cedi against the dollar. And even before I ever came budget, these are some of the successes I said are binary choke when it comes to what the economy. And then I must say, I don't know whether you have heard Oko grounds are a month with that dance here, but me young kotoe, but me person me can I stand to be corrected. Saying that you say I young road boss so cry then, so ati, and then send your friend. Oh, won't say. So you can go and ask when was the last time you bought an iron rod?
Oh,
in tons. And see, maybe I won't say, no. And then people are giving evidences of goods which are gradually coming down. Now, Babiano, Atuforcing even will be promising tomorrow, and just make us much in a he will tell us whether the dollar, the cedi appreciation
that okay be about Ghana's debt to GDP ratio. What's he saying?
Ghana debt to GDP ratio. We're saying that we are recording a debt to GDP ratio which is 43%.
43.
Yeah, 43%.
What's your source?
But what was it?
What source in here? Because what source in everything?
my source na me kurano. I will wait for the finance minister to give it tomorrow.
Oh, sir.
Mpacho, it will be in the budget statement, so you don't worry. Mpacho, the mechanism what I say, it will be in the budget statement. It's just something I'm news being a memo. Okay. See, these are some of the things you
I know
you will get to hear.
Okay.
And then same be obeti. The mechanism what I say. So
and just
highlights big something you may hear tomorrow. Say these are some of the successes we have achieved. And so there are going to be a lot of things in the budget, especially basically the promise in IMA about the big push. The big push. There's going to be a lot on the big push, especially road infrastructure, especially say Aquine, and then say me papa capital Kumasi to Accra.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, tomorrow we are going to hear a good news about it. Even when you go to the Otil region, they have a bridge discussion and contention, which is the Dambai Bridge. There's a lot of town roads which will be fixed. And it is going to be a good news all over. So Ghanaians should be expecting a good news from the finance minister tomorrow. Brapeni. These are some of the achievements I say what you may be hearing tomorrow. I didn't say
okay, that's fine.
These are some of the things.
Yes.
Meant to mean your communicator on. Na menya me hu se minim bibia. When it comes to economics, menya de enya me area. But me say dokuna to ahye so na ya dey na ben. Abochi.
Yes, boss.
Dollar kofo. Me metna nka say dollar no.
Enkofo.
Emra wa ben na 14.2. Ye fi abem.
Oh, no, 14.75.
14.2. After the day, they are going to share.
Ah, okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
All right, okay.
And 10.8, maybe 11. Go for. Now maintain your maybe as US for $1 your more there. Oko members no more charge or more charge you 16 per one.
US Embassy.
Yes.
I think that issue was brought to the fore yesterday during our discussion, because the deputy minister, former deputy minister for information, yes, like Tete he asserted and said, some now can be US Embassy. The rate near 16.
And now all other embassies are more different rates.
Why?
Let us be. Time another $14 cedis. Na cement 90 80 between 80 and 100 cedis, depending on the auto. And $10 cedi. Cement is usually 120 cedi.
SOMPA FM.
So what did they make an answer?
I'm listening. I'm following.
Something is missing.
Something is missing. As if they should come out and explain to us.
I about it. Maybe delicate. See, asama na good and can. The point I can show you evidence of transfer. I do almost 9 days.
9 days.
Because Canada may account more. The transfer is kind of female account na ACD no. At the Akoma company na metal car no 9 days. Ominai. In this event, me my dollar na conform na ebukum. Near the about radio, so TV, so have a fans. Near say I'm from more Irajon Mahama and now to force and basso. Now 1-to-1 cry. Now say, yet me $5 and then you may be at the end of man got 20, then you'll be funny. I would just want to argument. The dollar no bear one. Oh, your mom, hey, separate. Now, many about born the president Abaso. We are. Then the pen just can't be funny. Meanwhile, the near one, and your ma a canipa. Let talk canipano, no born on my phone. Come market no could be electricals. even foodstuffs serious inflation above all.
Yeah.
And you do time be my dream say then crophobia no more ye figures be who adwuma no ase na me huni ye papa abojun to mbaka che say mo bo abafo no they say o ma 5 kg dey about 4.5
Amono bo abafo
me say settings ni qnet nko o
settings ni qnet
aboji
5 kg no say o ma ti abafo about
e be 4.0 be 4.5 settings qnet in this only man also the perception trading o me to gino one bar 5 kg once the amount 150 they say at least have be 130 but this in the to you can say ban papa ba obeko fi have about no 2 days na and those are didn't try 3 days afi ho no ntimi nka mo bi ntibi me feel say o man ye ya ye ma nyina so binu ya kasa ya ma ira ayisi atena ho no and field no nima e manetena na me Ghana Bible mo ka de ma ko school our China akosua railway management omo yemedi enti all inclusive no me menya all ni bi
o ye Ghana ni bi
and na ayi e friend say ayisi ye all na me de menya all me ni se no ye bibi mamo bia na mintimi nye intimesre
then no susu se na oye ma omo na wo ntimi nye
na me bawo ye nyina na e ha ben aboti ena aban na sesa ene ese me nkofie me so Ghana bom ho ka de makosua de ebi a che no me makofie ba wo de order so te ho wo de so adwuma so ani na oye omba na omo te se ma ye bibia egu aban na egu adwuma nti e bia no ye bibi soronko bi ma omo so aban ba ba ni interest o pa de bia mineral so in the royal commission ni assessor atena ho de a na se mu awere mo di pana ho onwi nti abotimi de
but I don't know what you are saying no officer say nipa no ne waka ho no easy no woni eye NDC government no na wo mu ayonkofo bi wo mo ntemu a na mu enim as a party is that what you want to say? Yes,
I'm casting
with you
odwuma mu ekura mo yi say you programs manager yema 2 deputies na CEO bi ba onya general manager foforo no but omawo abochi na ye programs manager no the 2 different deputies ebe kan hu that than free wa anya comfortable o ga sa de no beja deputies no ko me net ho no ask them deputy bia no ya and MPP bia ko na nanya main instructions na deputy for the edge
but e bia na ono so hunu bia e kura no aban fi say o retain na bebo
deputies na no mo ye adwuma
SOMPA
no o the main for the main instructions na ye adwuma nti bayre ni tinya na tonye so nimza na abrechire ohewa ni mansan wa diwisam abrechire to ma hwe ira isi enim na omo ma ni samso onye de oni media otna ira to force so be baje
yeah
expectation am wa na say na ma hefu a so misika medical dwuma me de sesa be de e be fi we ya na mfa ho ne aban o ho se ne ma be fu uko America be 10 years ni nye ko be ba be 20-30 years ni ento ade mu da ni ente hwe so da yantum yantizo okra ni asa bosses na no mana ba from na wa uniska watimi atobi e why is reduced to clear we call as shop we if $10 shop ade bi e wo mbia no they turn $10 and just still anom se sabai ja ban se sano emfa ho ne enoma wo beye ba nkrofo kra esu eno mo ban ene sene omo tie kra tinima aban ye to abakra tia da bia mesimi nua menini shia this is the second time
yeah
then this ni bia te sena aran ko metna power che No, like respect no. Asem no twan tro kro de ahobrase e na eka. Eni so wo attack na kwa koye bibia e den e we nso a I mean respect no. But minim grophobia power no buy na say we ase nyina ayo mo dia but
oh really
baby omo tene atena hopen ye kan grophobia tie ya kenyen.
But let's move away from that. The fight against Galamsey and uti a minister Amako Fiboa. I don't know.
Say, if I can't the first masters, we are natural resource governance.
Okay.
So I have MPhil natural resource governance. Second masters, we are in development communication.
Oh, okay.
GIG. Okay.
SOMPA
yeah, first approach issues. Intimates of what that was interest in a doors.
We interest been away.
And maybe I sham that say me into Galamsey, oh me chrome, case die. Abotchi,
me too ba.
And when you, mo maybe I can say fina crop, me chrome, mo bia me to Galamsey, we have bien case die. I know no kwaje minor sika. Samra na the microphones when my betimi aka.
There be.
Me fa sante atma wo. Self mampo. I have women in answer Galamsey over their dead body. You about Galamsey, the ones who be able to Galamsey.
There be.
But I go for Pataban crown so back over. In so to crown of what to me they are there. I could say. It's Galamsey ni ho. Money. I'm the assassin also I am prospecting your costopono. Kukrum, we are going to go to good. Yeah, or honestly empire. Now what will baby? The my hene was a Galamsey over his dead body. The two Galamsey or
there be Galamsey.
Maybe I have to know Chroma and pay. Okay, when you talk of extraction of natural resources, and then when you're my bar, make him do our command so. Akotro bia oba the edikana the galam stop na there
operation Vanguard
so they know obey Vanguard we just so je tu gala
so je ni awaba beye
Vanguard we jai juma no so ba jai
o tu gala
no e mine na o tu gala
Ghana pa ya
senior oko kan say for evidence da no mo ji excavator no mo ji bi 150,000.
Hey,
turn on the excavator now. Now I know they are be su kwaje ya. Some say from Bob what in the Nina Taban. In a 2 year. Where they done from.
Oh, but what about clear and also it's traceable.
Hey, didn't he? One guy from Bob what in the net and you traceable. One guy no any traceable. I didn't know one to one trace and van over. I would say, it's what God does settings any QNet no. Boys need to hurry up to me ready meanings into settings in QNet. A kwanya NDC for the MPP are buying a fast word the fight against Galamsey with the help of some media houses, clergy, civil society groups, and OBI. But unimwe kurano so offering crime. Now cook mase. Now tra and sawam now ko enyinam osino a galano so omadia ma no ba bedu main road na no akota chimense na dey asent wen hu dey a e afa kwan no so awia ubeduru ono asif so man no kromo police bi ho asif se kwan na e da ho no soja fo mfa so no masi NDC flag or yard num na flag no from abon say
ya ben mu asem na okay
udu baby omo ye ye friend say overpass
yeah
nwura nyinam
me hu
o select nzo ma digala na ama ehoda ho kakra ubeduru no na dade post yo na ndisi flag no nesi so
and dem nye hu ye
na saboti me kwan fa so every weekend who that all from Zimo
yeah
me cook must decide to visit madam
be
no wife
yeah fancy Bamin court na mima mini akwa babio. Oyaban, the fight against Galamsey in the Minister for Lands Wakasa accountability series. Oh sir. Bebacho meet you. Are we winning the fight? He has accepted say the fight is difficult. But he assures the nation say
really difficult. The fact of the matter, I always remember one particular statement made by MPP for running mate. Baomia running mate Napo Machopoku Prempe. One particular statement be aware on Peace FM, and whenever I talk, I quote him verbatim. As someone can say, was it ofre sefa kaidi na ojesu no se pame onwa gudie no nyame na de ache yebeku so atu yenya atu da agudie no nyame na de ache yebeku so atu opa obetimi akohwe o mehwe video production mehwe video na ma yenya atu da ba okon so kaye se enya no kwani so na oka no wase ba se yebetu no kwan papa so no ene na ye problem no. Most of the time, no, and yet the definition of illegal mining in Ninaye, Ebia will be a sebe, who need license to mine, no mining, Ebia, and what's a mining near mining, ever often out the idea. Sometimes a almost a sebe, almost license miners, Nankasa, they engage in the illegal mining.
Who said some of
sometimes
mining licenses,
but at the end here, the fight against Galamsey when MPP was on power was huge. And I say the government's willingness, the goodwill of government in fighting it, compared to today, was different. That was why many voices rose against the government, because there were so many things. In terms of Galamsey, people who were in the heart of government, names were even mentioned, and nothing happened compared to that of the NDC. Even as we speak, our national officers have been mentioned by the Attorney General, submitted their name to Yoko, see investigation on this particular Galamsey issue. They are not executive members, or they are not appointed members, elected executive members of the NDC. We are talking about the vice chairman here, Abanga,
and then the national organizer of the party.
The machine of the party is under investigation. Here lies the case. We had a government when people's name, even Nipana or my contracting, say on Konko Yenshemu, and now on the committee. No one Yenshemu for Galamsey. Oh, yeah, Prana, young people for us had did attempt. He was even sabotaged by the seat of government. Have you forgotten? Professor Frimpong, he was reduced to a useless man, a whole professor, by his own party, because we Galamsey Sovia na a indicted party for. So you see the difference between the fight. That is why maybe some voices who spoke at the MPP's time saw say the government was just relaxed because no for but this one the government is committed in fighting it. That is why we are even giving a day-to-day update on it. As we speak, Erastus Asaradonko, when was the last time you have heard say he has been threatened? He's even been allowed freely to do whatever he likes. He posts, baby, I am opposition. Baby, I even hear a party executive to cry involving Galamsey. What to be promoting? No, I see chairman will say, "I'll call police to me." Galamsey, Monko, now provide the tea.
You said the Okano.
No, that's all they are. I'm coming. Haven't you seen some of the posts from?
I've seen the post.
So if Erastus Asaradonko is saying it, I'm only quoting what Erastus is saying. Either it's been true or false, I can't testify. But the mechanics will tell you. But realize the case. You even that one. This one is just a post for Erasmus. I don't go say. If this constituency chairman is involved, this organizer is involved, this secretary is involved. And no play. But young prof no, MPP for na dey tia voices na so na say. Yet your more regional vice chairman ekwawusi ne e wo tape mu e kan say party professor party yan sika iti jai boys ni yanko to galam say first kan begu party conference mu iti no man ka so mu party conference no mo dey party activities na galam say sika abo say chapam ne gum
man I galam say for
oh meba omo party conference
nyabotre owiam I'll give you
the MPP's party conference was full with galam money.
You don't have any evidence.
It was said by me. It was said by Ekwawusi. What is evidence? Ekwawusi party here sika. Na sika ongo ye anya hino mo de. Enya galamse di no kan. Cho mongo tu galamse no first can make party confess mu. What are you talking about? It's Ekwawusi who was saying it. So did I say it? I didn't say it. So every party sponsored activities was galamse money. So the voices in the town saw that no, this particular government was not willing and ready to fight galamsey. If you read Professor Frimpong Boate's report very well, it indicted the president himself. Indicted the president to a point. Say, almost can I say president there to cry so be for one opano. Obetina to chamfa ya juma president there to e ho na man for you mo sure mo. And I'm sorry here. Say no, we need to speak against the MPP in the fight against galamsey. But this government, Minister about stating it very clear. He even mentioned some of the things we have achieved. Even over 425 excavators being seized.
Shipyard, what can some? Yeah.
Excavators in no mama direction. And can was here can mama can.
Brand new or used?
Some are brand new, some are used. You can go and do your own checks. I'm telling you this. And then I think Oma ye arrest you, ya prosecute bi. Ebi kra ya yo ma you send your friend. Yeah.
Expatriation.
Correct. That's the right English professor. And you know a professor. You know almost about 1,345. Minister need to do. And then the Forestry Commission. And so as easy, are not even engaging in legal mining. More license to mine legally. Because of license in it, money and they rent cocoa. Sebi, because of more license now mining tino, but they are engaging in illegal mining. Meaning, baby, I want some mining crown mining. In what about the squad made? So many licenses have been revoked. So what's here?
Matipa.
Baby, I will mining no. Say me kwa papa swa. You bet towards to every mining. Mukran shapa you not even engage in mining again.
SOMPA FM.
So those are some of the steps. It is a team I'm follow te ho. And our voices no more kasa tiama galamsey at the MPP time et ho. No more tese government take steps here. Nana, we may not have won the battle, but at least they have seen the steps the government have taken and they will be satisfied.
All right, Mamifa, I my family time no more fan cheme because when say 5 no boy na omo mami pressure so 02601960 64 0260 1960 65. Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
yes sir, but all of it can say. O ka sa free asama oh. Aban that is it. Be ba cho yetiu. Be das etiu for etiu.
SOMPA.
Transparency, every year, our illegal mining. because it's the president who and the issue I do say of the Quaker illegal mining. It was say in the press conference that I am minister, yeah, who may employ a papa for Yama about 2 years, papa. It's the Wakaka Ghana for them. That's every year, our illegal mining will be that.
I'm having a sister by radio. So, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We want to one of another Cassie. Isaac Kaswa, we want to eat you. Why?
But you're illegal mining. I'm watching the child no more.
SOMPA FM.
All right.
By December, they get me a stop illegal mining.
By December, moment you stop illegal mining.
Over the red year, some person will almost stop. I mean, I make a chill on there. Some person almost stop illegal mining now. May their president say by December you're going to stop illegal mining.
By December, we stop illegal mining.
This is why you're ready on premise.
Why ready on flow? Now on buying now stop illegal mining.
Yes, in the position I'm in every year illegal mining by December. So are you ready?
Me that say.
So
Me that's it. Pass over. I'm talking to the scholar. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pass you. But you wanna be the Cassie? Ganof Municipal. Amamoni. Me pass you. Amamole. Okay. Me that's it. Yeti pa. Okay.
Share Galante and Semi. Umayan President Mahama Abachi. Me, the man of Maxa, the man of 40 over 10. Because why they are dear to the same. We don't believe the year battle. But we have point of putting a media about the one man on the
okay. Your friend said blue water gate for no. Blue water gate for.
SOMPA FM.
You're missing a year back. Share none why you do for you call you. Tell me so it's right. Only put two excavators no board now. What machine no board in your machine will on my own packet. Someone will shoot you. Someone me far excavator in market. Someone who are normally a comma team executive. Any is the new four and no more threat of water and can break it. I cannot make a way. We are the top of the
all right, okay. Yeah, as a brown can very serious. Oka blue water guards, also a budget bribe. Oda asabna wakano ochina trans ya be room ye pa because ochina because I want to have a conversation with you on this particular issue. Thank you so much. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me bacho wana be the kase.
Good evening, William. Kase from Amasaman.
Amasaman Williams, bacho etio.
Bacho. NDC, NDC for. Omoba fidin na say omo kasa na say Ghana adan heaven preoccupy e mi timeji ho am nti omo ase because the way omo ba and about papa ba and say oso kokoma entisa ukokoma entisa say ne mabo e fancy ne mabo omo ka biblebe no bo ayede e say fiscal system so ya omo ba na omo kasa obi wo ba bi na sa wo tia ka say the Ghana adan heaven so entisa ya omo ni Ghana na Sige ne ma bo ne ma ye bata o ma yi mo se unni abai mu a wo adwom ko no ma be yi wadi. E se France president John Mahama o se Obama Ghana fo nyina. Nso no o hwe o mo a wo yi o mo adi. Obi ye adwuma o se wo ye Ghana ni wo ye France epic no ma yi wadi. Se ni se ne de o mo nyi se dachi no. Eno so ba be tia o mo. Na se e man penyin. Ye nyina ye Ghana fo. Se Ghana ni ye adwuma. Na so fata. E fa o so ni practically amunja no onye. E de ni ken gwana ni pa no to ma.
But I was say me for Freddy baby. Go waka.
Awoji.
Was it one of the Galamsey site on Jebright?
Me say.
Yes.
Opa ko soldiers barracks na ko police. Amo headquarters. Na ma IGP nya announcement say. Police ni soldier ni our person call Galamsey operations we are fedin bra. Ade be change obi ama ni nyina kwa so. Obi a be ko bi.
Go kwata.
Aboti on bezo be ten okra on.
Oh they be una woka wasem.
Ana o say ana me ga say we read about extraction of minerals. A corruption prone area. You need committed people. In the time I'm go for Adidas for no.
Adidas for any one.
Omo obi 100,000 da. We are 5,000 kwe bo mo nya bi da. Oso onko no obi a oye million adwuma onko stop no. I watch in the discussion any so da.
Ska. It's very sketchy any penny so.
Man be no big man be a girl or deep one na say girl no china. I also have this been this carbon to be true and so. It is cannot the true they be at 200 notes here the me true and so anya 40,000. Now about you deep one na the 20 trap obi ani so abon no be can be. Hwe no kwasem ne say ade na say person stopping na a holistic approach.
But what are you see from?
Divide of politics. Young Kasa him for no be stop Galamsey when the crew.
Yeah.
Stop.
I best stop.
That is the only and a task force when obi akọ ko pe bibia bedi. And abisu kwaje 40 ewe ne bia ira. Osi ayira. So no an eje mu ebedem.
Hana bisu.
Tali boys no fans excavator be 200,000 no the excavator.
Hey.
Na so for do second between 200,000 Ghana.
My main kind messages.
Message so for do saying between bribe 200,000 Ghana.
Question. Where be sir? Restart the country with call me later appointees. I don't know what he meant by that. And then Maldina Cruz. Watching the show live from Indianapolis, Kumasi Tunnel, so Kesvin Junction and the main location. Thank you so much. And then go on. Suleiman Bakare Mustafa Mofaya Abake Ghana Hassan Baluka Prof. So far so good. At least a concerted effort has been put in it. If the past NPP government had also made a similar effort in fighting the Galamsey by now, we would have gone far from where we were now. It takes only the pessimists and the bearish who would not acknowledge the commitment of the Mahama's effort. However, the detractors cannot distract our focus for fighting illegal mining. Kusi Asari says that Mahama should, as a matter of agency, declare a state of emergency on the Galamsey fight. One can deny the fact that Mahama has failed woefully in the fight against Galamsey. And then Kobe and Kama says, Kudu Prof. Maxwell says that people will be people no matter what they do. Let's see how long it takes to fix the Galamsey Wahala. It's not a political issue, but a national one. Rahim Rankin, good day of life have beginning since morning till now, and with only Prof Abotchie, unforgotten country. Thank you so much. And then Nana Mensa K. Buffalo says that fighting illegal mining in Ghana is not an easy task. We ought to blame these geopoly parties. They are the cost. God bless our homeland Ghana. And then Emmanuel Bois says that Kwabena, you are doing a great job. All right, thank you so much for being a part of the show today. Minia, Mamina say, Naminda Minia. Yes, yeah,
time now. Also, because MPP says, I go for the say was stop. You lose seat in
I was a friend of Prof Abotchie for God and country in the Hana and Rema Quandies. Yamia Doma or China, your veteran saint. Maybe you'll be out of Kosoana show who's ye, Nabo Hobine. Yakrabunina. Bye bye.